Welcome back, brothers and sisters. Welcome back to African Metaphysical Center for Spiritual Healing, Body, Mind, and Spirit Development. I am your host, Kufu Amun-Ra, your metaphysical practitioner, Reiki master, and Qigong instructor. Today, I've got the camera will turn, so I wanted you to see what I'm working with. For the next 3 videos, each one being about 5 minutes in length or less, we're going to be dealing with crystal balls, and I wanted to highlight mine. This is the one I use in particular. But the first video is unlocking the mysteries of the crystal ball. Let's begin. Let's dive into the enchanting world of crystal balls and how you can use them in various ways. At the end, I will tell you how to use a crystal ball to work with your spirit guides. So let's begin with the 4 ways to use a crystal ball. One is scaring. Hard to pronounce. The most popular use. Gaze into the ball to see images or symbols that reveal insights about your past, present, and future. The second way is meditation tools. Use your crystal ball as a focal point during meditation to enhance your intuition and connect with your higher self. The third way is enhancing energy. You can use the crystal ball to place it in your space to amplify the energy of manifestation and positivity. And number 4, connecting with spirit guides. This is what we'll focus on today. Here's my way of working with spirit guides using a crystal ball. And there's many ways, and a lot of people have different ways that they do it to channel their spirit guides. But step 1, what you want to do is find a quiet space and hold your crystal ball in your hands and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Okay? Number 2, set your intentions. Very important. Set your intentions. You might say something like, I invite my spirit guides to communicate with me through this crystal ball. Step 3, gaze softly into the ball, allowing your mind to relax. Don't force anything. Just let images or thoughts come to you naturally. Step 4, be open to receiving messages. Now, they may come as symbols, feelings, or even auditory messages in your mind. Step 5, after your session, take a moment to jot down any insights or messages you received. Reflect on how they might guide you in your life. And remember, connecting with your spirit guides is a personal experience. So trust your intuition. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep expanding your understanding of the world and beyond. Ancient knowledge is still out there. Seek the truth. Ashe, ashe, ashe.